In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Zen browser from your computer or laptop. So to do this, you have to go to Start menu, then go to Settings, then in the left side corner, you will see the Apps option. Click on it, then you have to go to Installed Apps. You can search the Zen browser name here, or you can scroll down to find the Zen browser. If I scroll down, I see the Zen browser is here. Now click on three dot option and you will see the uninstall option. Just click on it and a pop-up will come in front of you. Just click on uninstall and click yes. Uninstall wizard will appear in front of you. Just click next and then click next to uninstall the Zen browser. If you click finish, the installation process will complete automatically and you see the Zen browser is gone. By following this easy process, you can uninstall the Zen browser from your computer or laptop.